So we're at the end of the month, and for the month of October, I want to show you our biggest day for the month of October, which was the most money we've made in a single day. This is coming from one Facebook page. This is our biggest Facebook page that makes money in multiple ways, including with video ad breaks and also instant articles. Keep in mind this page has over 500,000 likes, so it's able to generate lots and lots of traffic on a daily basis. So I'm actually going to select here, and I'm going to select the 12, which was our biggest day, and you can see total estimated revenue for that day was 576 in one day using Facebook without having to sell a single thing. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how I did it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lázaro Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So most people think that if you're going to make money on Facebook, you have to sell something, and that's not actually the case. You don't need to do drop shipping. You don't need to do affiliate marketing on Facebook in order to make money. You can make money on Facebook 100% free by simply creating content and monetizing that content with Facebook ads. And that's exactly how I made $576 in one day in the month of October. Now I had bigger days than that, but for this month our biggest day was $576. Now keep in mind that on average we make anywhere between $200 to $300 per day. And so what I'm going to do in this video is give you a breakdown on how we were able to get $576 in a single day utilizing Facebook Instant Articles. Now, Facebook Instant Articles is something that I don't recommend to everyone unless you have a large Facebook page and you're able to outsource most of the work, because it is very time consuming to create content for a blog and then utilizing that blog to make money on Facebook. There's a few things that you have to keep in mind. And if you're brand new to Facebook and making money on Facebook, you should be focusing on building Facebook pages as large as possible and then worrying about different ways of monetizing that content, which is exactly the process that I follow with every new Facebook page that I create for my business. I launch brand new Facebook pages in different niches, and basically I grow those pages to 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 likes. And then after I have good engagement on those pages, I worry about different ways of monetizing those pages. And this is exactly what I teach in my new course from the Facebook Income School, which by the way, it's live and you can check the link in the description below, with over 40 videos where I teach you how to build Facebook pages from scratch, how to get 10,000 likes, and best of all, the different ways that you can monetize, grow, and expand your engagement on your Facebook pages. All right, so let's talk about how I did those $576 in a single day with Facebook Instant Articles. So the first thing we did is we found a viral story using BuzzSumo. If you don't know what BuzzSumo is a website where you can sign up, you pay a membership fee. Once you get in, you get access to a very large library of content where you can basically research topics, ideas, and content on any topic that you want. And you can find content that's going viral on social media. And then from there, you can take that content, you can repackage that content to get as much traffic and make more money with Facebook. So it's helpful to have tools like BuzzSumo to allow you to find this type of content. And I believe BuzzSumo is about $99 per month. And if you pay a little bit more, you can get access to Facebook Analytics, meaning that you can research what's going viral on Facebook and you can get ideas from people who have similar pages to yours who are posting similar content, and you can see what's going viral on their page and you can get some ideas from that to create your own viral content. And this is exactly the process that we follow on that specific day. We took that piece of content, posted it on our Facebook page, and within the first 3 hours that post had over 600 likes. And so because we noticed that that post was getting a lot of engagement, we utilized Facebook ads to create my viral retargeting strategy. Basically, my viral retargeting strategy is something that I use on my Facebook pages and something that I teach in my Facebook course. So when I find a post that it's going viral, it's getting lots of engagement, lots of likes, the first thing that I do is I utilize Facebook ads to push that piece of content even more to more people, to people who I know are gonna read or are gonna watch that video or are gonna engage with that piece of content. And as a result, we're gonna get more views, more traffic, more engagement. And by doing this, you can expand your traffic 5, 6, 7 times, allowing you to make more money with Facebook Instant Articles. In addition to that, you also want to make sure that the traffic and the engagement that you get into your posts is from tier 1 countries, because the more engagement and traffic that you're able to get from tier 1 countries, the more money you'll be able to make. So we're not actually selling anything. All we're doing is taking content from the web, repurposing that content in a way that is unique, and then we're utilizing our audiences, our Facebook pages with thousands and thousands of followers to make money using the Facebook ads and Facebook instant articles and Facebook video ad breaks. And what I teach specifically in my course is how to grow Facebook pages and make money with videos using video ad breaks. But once you have a large Facebook page, you can make money not just with video ad breaks. You can make money with instant articles. You can even make money with Shopify. You can make money in different ways, because once you have that large audience, you can utilize that audience over and over again to make money in many different ways. So that is the power of building Facebook pages to 50,000, 100,000, even a million likes, because the more likes you have on your Facebook page, the more likely you are to make money with many different ways, not just Facebook instant articles, not just video ad breaks, because what you want is to diversify your sources of income. And once you have a successful Facebook page, then you can move on to creating another one and another one in a way that each of those produce income for you every single month. Alright guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.